SERV stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1 minute video till the end, find out. SERV Robotics is sitting at $9.64, exactly where we closed post market. It's 1.5% down. Like, I personally am bullish AF. That means the price has already given me the confirmation, and all it has to give me right now is the delivery. I mean, in an ideal world, it's not even ideal, it's realistic, because again, I've done this thousands of times and I have all the proof. I don't have a course to sell you, so don't you worry. I'm not going to pitch you at the end for a course that you need to pay. But since we got that double break, I need to wait. Like, the moment we start breaking above, I'm talking 1077, is the moment where I put a break even on, and the moment where I don't care, you know, and that's it. So let me know what is your opinion on SERV. If you want to learn to make more money by taking less trades, click the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars.